Alright, hey there. Picture me as your friend who's about to let you in on the biggest secret I've ever found. I'm talking about how to make $10,000 a month online or more. No experience, no big bucks to start, nothing fancy needed. You're probably thinking, yeah, right, that sounds like another internet scam. I get it, I thought the same thing. But stick with me because Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 changed my life, and I'm going to tell you how it can change yours too. Ready to learn the easiest way to make money online today? Let's do this. Can you subscribe now before we continue? So, let me take you back to where I was. 2 years ago, I was flat broke. Like eating instant noodles every night, stressing over bills, and wondering if I'd ever get out of that hole. I was working a job I hated, barely scraping by, with no savings, no plan, just surviving. I tried all the side hustles, delivering food, filling out those sketchy online surveys, even selling stuff I didn't want to part with. Nothing worked. The internet kept promising financial freedom, but all I found were schemes that wanted me to pay thousands I didn't have. Maybe you're nodding right now, feeling that same frustration. I see you. Then one day, I stumbled across something different. Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0. It's this ebook that's like a cheat code for making money online through affiliate marketing. Now, if you're like, affiliate what? Don't worry, I didn't know either. It's super simple. You share products you like, could be software, courses, or even stuff like headphones, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. No inventory, no shipping, just cash in your account. And the best part? You don't need any experience or money to start. I started with literally $0 and now I'm pulling in $1,000 a month. Let me walk you through how it works. First off, Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 is made for people like us, regular folks who aren't tech geniuses or rich. It breaks everything down into steps so easy, I swear my grandma could do it. Here's the deal. You pick something you're into, like fitness, cooking, or even video games. The blueprint shows you how to find niches that pay big through affiliate programs. Then you sign up for free platforms. Think Amazon, ClickBank, or Digistore24. The ebook lists the best ones and walks you through joining them in like 5 minutes. Now here's where it gets fun. You need content to share your affiliate links, right? But you don't need a fancy camera or a big budget. I use this AI tool called HeyGen to make pro-looking videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. The blueprint gives you templates, so you're not starting from scratch. You make a quick video, share your links on social media or forums, and boom, people start clicking. Every time someone buys, you're cashing in. $10 here, $50 there, sometimes even $200 per sale. Keep that up and $1,000 a month is totally doable. Let me tell you my story because I still can't believe it myself. 6 months ago, I was stuck in a dead-end job, barely covering rent. I found Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 and thought, what do I have to lose? I followed the steps, made some simple AI videos, and started sharing affiliate links. First month, I made $150, not life-changing, but it was real money. By month 3, I was at $200, more than my day job. Now I'm working from my couch, building passive income that comes in while I'm sleeping or binge watching shows. If I can do it, someone with zero skills and zero cash, you can too. Why is this going to blow up on social media? Because Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 isn't some complicated course for rich people. It's for us, students, parents, 9-to-5ers dreaming of something better. It is a new dawn, and everyone's looking for ways to make money online, especially passive income. This blueprint shows you how, step by step, without needing a penny up front. Plus, with AI tools like HeyGen, you can make videos that look like they cost thousands to produce, but they're basically free. Post those on YouTube, TikTok, or X, and you could have millions clicking your links, funding your dreams. Here's the thing though, this kind of opportunity doesn't stick around forever. Right now, you can grab Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 at a crazy discount, but it's not gonna last. This ebook is packed with secrets that top affiliate marketers use to make millions, and it's written so anyone can get it. Imagine this. A year from now, you're waking up to money in your account, working when you want, maybe even quitting that job you hate. That's what this blueprint did for me, and it can do it for you. Don't let another day go by watching other people live your dream life. Click the link below to get Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 right now before the price jumps. This is a limited time offer, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. I was broke, hopeless, and stuck, but this system gave me a way out. Whether you want to pay off debt, travel, or just have extra cash, this is your shot. Click that link, grab the ebook, and start building your $1,000 a month income today. Your future self will thank you.